Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have something very special. We have Shin Ramyun Red super spicy hot noodles. So these are noodles all the way from South Korea and apparently they're really spicy. I like spicy food, so this will be good for me. Let's go ahead and cook them up. Ooh, look at that. Nice color. And this is the flavoring flakes. And is there something else here? Of course there is. This is the hot, spicy sauce. Soup base. Nice. One thing to point out before we even start eating this and cooking it is that this is really well packed noodle thing. Like sometimes when you open this up they break and the stuff lies all over the place, but this is solid. This is good. They manufactured this really well, so that's already 1 point plus. Okay, the water is boiling. It's time to throw the noodles in. Nice. And the guide says here that you also have to add the other ingredients at the same time, so it's unlike the bulldog where you put the spicy thing later. This one you put it same time. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. These are flakes. What are they? Some kind of dried veggies. Smells good. And this is the spicy hot sauce. Okay. It's not oil like bulldog, but this one seems to be like, yeah, just the powder. So I hope this will be as hot as the other ones that I tasted before. Okay. By the way, ingredients here, if you want to check, and also the nutrient values. Let's stir this up. Okay, I think it's boiled now. It's cooked well. Let's go ahead and pour it on the plate. Ooh, looks so yummy. Look at this. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes now, and I think it's done. Ooh, looks good. Now comes the tricky part, how to pour the noodles without making any mess. Let's try it. Okay, here we go. Just wait. We got the soup now. Let's get some noodles as well. Ooh, it's almost dropped. Oh, nice. I got all of them in the bowl without making any mess. I have some leftover soup over here because my plate is not big enough, but we can finish this later. Let's get all the meats and stuff. Yeah. Perfect. The food has been served. Look at this. Ooh, looks so yummy. Steaming hot, fiery noodles. Ah, smells delicious. Now unfortunately I don't have chopsticks, so I have to do it the Western way with a fork and a big ass spoon. Okay, here we go. Shin Ramyun Red super spicy hot noodle going inside by Nongshim Corporation. Okay, let's taste the soup first. It looks hot. Ooh. Oh, the spice hits you like a hammer. It's not like bulldog where it creepily comes like 30 seconds later. This one straight hits you with the hammer. It's like that directly that you can taste the spice. It's good. I like that. Let's go ahead and taste these noodles as well. So this is what you do when you don't have chopsticks. You just roll it around the fork and cool it down a little bit. And You can assist with the spoon, but it's not so important. Yeah, here we go. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's hot. That's hot. I'm really positively surprised by the flavor of this. It's unlike normal noodles. This one, it feels thick. The noodles feel thick and firm. And they're not too soggy. The texture is perfect. And the spice, oh, let me tell you about the spice. It's so good. It's not too mild, not too spicy. It's perfect for my flavor. Mmm. 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 Hold on, I need to get some paper because whenever I eat spicy food, my nose starts to run. So 1 second. Okay, we good. I didn't bring any milk or water, so my mouth is getting a little bit heated up as we speak. Let's go ahead and take another big spoon combined with the sauce, the soup. It's a little bit hot, so we have to cool it down a little bit. Don't eat it too fast, otherwise you might burn your tongue. Okay. Here we go. Bon appetit. Mmm. Mmm. I get like so many different kind of flavors in my taste, but like the noodles bring softness and they're really thick feeling, and you know, they're filling you up. And then you get the soup with lots of spice hitting your tongue afterwards. Like, it's really pleasant combination of flavors, to be honest. This is really good spicy noodle. I might go ahead and say this is even better than the famous bulldog fiery noodles, because sorry, my throat got spice burst. Those noodles, you just get the spice flavor after 30 seconds. Like first 30 seconds you can enjoy the normal flavor to noodles, but after that you only taste the spice, and that's not good. But here the spice, it instantly comes with the noodle flavor, combining it together. And it's not too overwhelming. It's really spicy but not too overwhelming, so you can still taste the noodles afterwards. So that's one thing I really like about this noodle. And the other thing is, I think these are the best like noodle like texture I have tasted in a long time. Like the thickness, perfect. The texture is perfect. There's nothing wrong with these noodles. Like you saw when I opened the package when they were still dry, they pack it really well, and already 10 you will know that they're good noodles. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Yeah. Time for rating. You know, I was skeptical when I first bought this because I thought this was knockoff bulldog Pokemon, but they ended up being better than the original spice noodles. This one deserves perfect 10 out of 10. Shin Ramyun Red, super spicy noodles. This is 10 out of 10. Korean food, very good. If you have Asian market right next to you, go buy it. This is really pleasant taste experience. And thanks for watching this consumer goods expert review. This has been amazing once again. And make sure to hit like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. What am I doing with my hands? I don't know. Anyway, 10 out of 10 South Korean noodles. Thanks for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.